So, good morning, guys. Today is another day, one of a great day in the life of Forex trader because every day is a great day. Oh, yeah, no matter the challenges, no matter the condition, believe that every day for you to wake up and see another day, it's not by your power, everything is just by the grace of God. So, before doing my daily workout or doing anything or going to analyze any market today, I need to firstly what thank God, pray to God for the gift of life, for making me to wake up. What I need to thank God for that. So that is why I'm here. I want to sing to the Lord. Join me in praising the Lord. God's grace will. Thank you, Jesus. So, guys, I'm going to do my workouts at the back scene. Then I'm going to come here to analyze the market and show you guys how today's market, how we are going to go about it. So that's it. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you. Hi, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are seeing this video. Please, if this is the first time you are seeing one of my videos, help me to smash the button, subscribe, like, and comment your own opinion. One thing I want to talk about, I want to share my analysis for this week for you guys, for you to see how do I be able to take all those trade and the one which I lose, what caused it and why. So I'm going to share everything with you. But I want you to know one thing is that in this journey of becoming a consistently profitable trader, it's not an easy stuff. We pass through a lot, going through many things. But I want you to always have one thing at the back of your mind, that no matter, there is always light at the end of the tunnel. So things has not been easy to be faithful to you guys, but I believe in God and I believe in my struggle. I know that one day I'm going to get there, because all those profitable traders that we are seeing today, that they were already at the top, they also started from somewhere. So I believe one thing and believe in God that one day we are also going to get there. So let me not waste time. Let me go to analysis straight away and share with you guys. Actually, I haven't posted any video this week at all. I haven't posted any video. And due to one or two reasons, due to one some issue which I am facing, yeah, sure, that's the reason why. So, but I'm going to share all the trade which I took this week with you guys, and the reason why I took it and why I lose it, why I win the one which I win. So let me share my screen. So guys, as you can see, these are all the trade which I took this week. You know that today is Saturday, today is weekend, and the market has already closed. So this is it from Monday. This is from Monday. The market open around this area from Monday. This is where markets open. And actually, I supposed to have, I took this trade earlier around this place, but no light. I don't have light on my system and phone. So that's the reason why I'm not be able to took the trade around this area. And why I will have took trade around this area is because if I go to 4-hour time frame, we'll be able to see that there is a strong, let me close this in break. 4-hour time frame, you can see there is a strong support. You can see the market come here, touch it one, then bounce up, come there again, bounce up. So I know that whenever the market is coming around this area, there is high probability that market is going to go up from that area also. So, but because there's no light on my phone and system, I lost the trade. But on the way, I'm able to took the trade around this place. And be able to took the trade around this place. The first trade which I took around this place, I lost the trade. And why? Because number one, there is a strong momentum. You can see the market moved from here to here aggressively. So there is no there is high chance that market is going to break this psychology level around this area, and something like demand and supply area is going to break it up. So I took the trade, and immediately the market broke the psychology level. I went back to 4-hour time frame. I went back to 4-hour time frame. I've seen something like, you can see rejection area around this area. So I also went back to 1-hour time frame to see a clear vision about it. You can see there is a big, this candle, you can see this candle indicate a strong momentum for buying movements. You can see. So that give me a knowledge that this market is not yet to sell at all. That at least if this market want to sell, it will get to this strong support. Let me go to 4 hours to show you where the strong support is. It's going to get to this strong support. You can see market come here, bounce back, come there again, bounce back. You can see market is heading towards the place again. So that gave me the knowledge that what I'm going to looking for is buy. So I later took this trade around this area. And why? Because the market has broke the structure here. You can see the market broke the structure here. Then I know that if the market come back around this, there is something like demand area around this place. Let me show you in 1 hour here, 1 hour time frame. Around this area. Yeah, you can see. Around this area, there is a strong demand that broke this structure here. Demand that broke this structure here. So I know that whenever market come back to this place, it's going to what? Bounce back. So once the market came back to this place, then I look for a candlestick pattern, the candlestick chart that form around this area, the type of candlestick that form around this area. I check that on 15-minute time frame. So can you see there is something like bullish engulfing around this area? So that is why I took this trade. Then I'm able to catch 100 pips around this area. And as the trade keep going up, I keep adding on that trade. And the one that I'm be able to add on this trade 2 times. You can see here and this place. If you go to 5 minutes, let me show you. Why do I add on this trade is because, one, the market broke this structure around this place and come around this demand area, then push up. Same thing around this place. So that is the why I'm be able to do all those trade around that area. And once the market get to this strong resistance, you can see the market begin to drop, broke this, the exchange of character around this place. Then you can see market pull back to this, the supply area that broke this structure, that broke this. You can see I think I took the trader in this place. Yeah, you can see once the market broke this structure, change of character around this place, then I look for what make this structure to be broken. Then Then I found out that this last bullish candle make this structure to be broken. So I'm be able to took the trade from that zone. Then you can see how the market begin to drop down. So that is how I'm be able to win all those trades. And on the way, I also have the trade which I lost. You can see and be able to win all this trade. The market broke this structure also, then come back to this. There is supply zone around this area before dropping down. So that is how I'm be able to the trade. And this place, I took one loss around this place, and that is because I saw something like demand zone around this area, but that demand is not valid. The market demand is be able to push the market up a little bit, you can see, but this supply around this area push the market down massively, then and broke the demand that is around this area. The demand that is around this area. So that is why I took the loss around this place. So I supposed to be able to enter this trade around this area that forms something like double bottom, but due to there is no light on my system and my phone, so I couldn't took the trade around this area. And around this area, when market get to this supply zone psychology level, I want to sell the market from this zone, but I also took loss around this area. And why? The reason why I'm able to took loss around this area, I took loss around this area is because when the market dropped to this strong support area, you can see it formed something like double bottom, and that double bottom was strong enough to push the market back to this strong resistance. So I do not supposed to sell any trade around this area. What I supposed to be looking for always is buying movement. So that is it. That is how this week goes. And what I'm expecting for next week, we are still looking for buying movements. We are still going to be looking for buying movements. So by God's grace, I will be updating you guys on the trade which I will be taking from next week on. So if this is the first time you are seeing one of my videos, help me to smash the button, like, subscribe, and comment your own opinion. So I will also share the trade. I will also put the screenshot of all those trades that I'll be able to took. I will also put it along the side of this video, so you will be able to see it and confirm what I am trying to share with you guys. So that is it for now. Bye. You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the update about the trade which I took yesterday. So I want to share how the trade goes with you guys. As you can see right now, the trade, you can see we took the trade around this place, then go up, then come down to this demand zone and go up, grab the liquidity. As you can see, there is liquidity above that equal high. So that is the liquidity, as you can see. So there's liquidity is present around those areas, as you can see. So the market grabbed the liquidity and it already hit my TP1. That is my take profit one, as you can see around that place, and that's my take profit one. So my TP2 is above, which is next supply zone, but it couldn't get there. So as you can see, but it gets to the internal supply zone. As you can see, that area, after the market grab the liquidity, then come back to that internal supply zone, then begin to drop from that area. So let me draw it. As you can see, that is internal supply zone. So that is where the market start to dey drop, as you can see, and we have change of character already. So what I will be looking for now is selling, because we have already have the change of character. As you can see, that is the change of character. So can you see now, that is the change of character. So what I will be looking for now is selling. If the market can come back to that supply zone that broke the structure, for me the change of character. So that's it, guys. If it is first time you are seeing my video, subscribe.